In this question, which one of the following conditions will favor maximum formation of the product in the reaction given below? So the reaction given to us is A2 plus B2 gives you X2 and heat, right? So we have to take and it gives out some energy, right? So on increasing pressure, equilibrium shifts in a direction where pressure decreases, that is forward direction. So basically, in order to attain equilibrium, we need the pressure where it is less pressure, the pressure increases, right, over in that direction. On decreasing temperature, equilibrium shifts in exothermic direction, that is forward direction. So high pressure and low temperature favors maximum formation of the product. So in the given options we have low temperature. So in two options we have low temperature, we'll just eliminate the others, and then we have high pressure, so it is the first option.